Once you already have Mendeley installed on your desktop, don't forget that you can also download this thing called the Web Importer. I use it all the time, so I already have it installed on my Chrome browser. So right now I have Firefox open just so I can show you in a browser where I have not installed the Web Importer yet. So you just go over here. I'm on the Mendeley homepage where you probably have gone by now to download the Mendeley desktop manager or app or whatever they call it. But if you go down, sorry, not down, if you go over to the download button right here and just instead of downloading Mendeley desktop, that's what they call it, there we go, go down here and where it says Web Importer, click Find Out More. And then you can just click Get Web Importer for, I have Firefox open, so it's going to say Firefox. And then you just click that. And then it should be a bit different depending on which browser you're using, but it is a pretty simple process either way. So just click Add, agree to all permissions, and that is it. This little icon will appear right here, and from then on out you can just add things to your desktop manager while you're browsing. So I'm just gonna pull up a random page or something. So let's just do a random search so we can grab an article. I'm just on the library homepage right now. I'll open up, these are all books, so I'll open up an article. There are no articles on the front page of results. How interesting. Let's just open up this one. You could try to import it straight from here, and that sometimes works. We can give it a shot. But it'll look like this. So you basically open it up and then agree to use the data and then sign into your account. I'm not going to do that right now because I actually don't remember my password. I'm signed in automatically on the Chrome browser. And then from there, it'll give you a list of options for like article titles, because some pages have like 10 different articles linked on them, and then the web importer will ask you to select from them. So what you do from that point on is to select the ones you want and then click import, and it will just add it straight to your Mendeley desktop manager. And that is it for the web importer. Thanks for listening, and next time I will talk about adding other plugins that might be useful.